NLEX connector update, now December 1, 2023. An approximately 8 kilometers of elevated 4-lane toll expressway extending the NLEX southward from the end of the segment 10 and C3 Road, Caloocan City to PUP, Santa Mesa, Manila, and connecting to the Skyway Stage 3, and mostly traversing along the PNR rail track. The project includes 2 interchanges on the off-ramp located at C3 Road, 5th Avenue, Caloocan, Espana Boulevard, Manila, and 2 proposed additional interchanges and off-ramp located in Magsaysay Boulevard and PUP Santa Mesa, Manila. Project objective. This project aims to stimulate development in Manila, Caloocan, Malabon, and Navotas, as well as its surrounding areas. Decongest Metro Manila traffic, provide truck with 24/7 alternative route, and resolve truck ban problem, provide better access to Manila Port, North Harbor, and Airport NIA, and Clark. Complete the connection of NLEX segment 10 and SLEX Skyway Stage 3. Project benefit at the end of the construction. The project is expecting approximately 3 hours to 1 hour and 40 minutes benefit at least 35,000 motorist vehicle per day. Improve connectivity between NAIA and Clark Airport. So thank you very much po. Ayan po ang latest ngayon dito sa ginagawang NLEX connector. So sa ngayon mga kababayan, pinapakita ko po dito sa itaas kung ano na po ang latest update. At kitang-kita naman natin ang malaking pagbabago na nagagawa na dito sa naturang proyekto. So malaking bagay po ito mga kababayan pagka natapos po itong project na ito, dahil malaki ang maitutulong nito lalo na sa sumisikip na traffic natin dito sa Metro Manila. So pagmasdan niyo pong mabuti at makakaasa po kayo, i-update ko po kayo sa mga naturang proyekto. Hindi lamang po dito sa lugar na ito, pati na rin po yung Skyway, at maibibigyan ko rin po kayo ng update sa mga susunod na araw.